Hello and welcome back. Today we will learn about for next loop in Omron PLC. So I am giving for loop name here and selecting CJ 2M. I like okay whatever it is sitting here for comment for next loop tutorial. Now click OK. Now OK. Here I will take a format on. OK. Always one flag there. Here I will use IL interlock and a ILC instruction F113. Okay, ILC. Okay, so here it's showing a error. So compile. It's showing that ILC position is incorrect. Okay, and we will delete it. Okay, now it's showing okay. Go to here, insert above. Okay, now I will take a C 0.0. Okay, let give it its for loop enable. Okay, now give for instruction. Okay, again it's showing error. Why it's showing compile? So we have not put value here. I will put 100. Okay, still it's showing that for loop instruction error. Let I put instruction below. CF113. Okay, now I put next instruction. Here I need to delete it. Okay, so again I need to delete it. Okay, now there is not error, and here I will put C 0.00 and IL loop enable. Okay, now I need to put some instruction in between for and next loop. Okay, for and next loop I need to put some instruction. Suppose whether it is working or not, so I am putting run here, taking CF113. Okay, now I will put some simple addition instruction plus suppose I am taking D100 and adding at the rate one value, and result will be in D200. Okay, now we will give comments so you can understand it. Source and destination. Data. Okay, now you will go to program and compile. You can see that there is no error. Okay, now simulate it. I am simulating it. Okay, it's getting simulated. simulating. Okay, so this will not run unless I will toggle it or set on. I set on, so you can see that this has add the 0 value into 1 and the result value go to 200. Okay, now I will again edit it and taking instruction the 100. Okay, so now you will see the value is moving. D100, the loop is running for 100 times. After 100 times it will stop. How to check this is ran for 100 times? For that, again I am going Control Shift W, stopping this simulation and insert below. Okay, so C, I am putting C F113. Okay, and putting R set instruction and address is 0.00. Okay, okay, so once this loop will run for 100 times, then it will reset the ILC, so it will not run. So again simulating it. Okay, so I put here 0 value. Now you will see it. I set on this. I set on this. You can see that this loop run for 100 times. D100 they add 1 and the result will be 100. So I am suppose changing it to 1000, then it will be 1000 here. Once I enable it, okay, the value is 200 and they add, okay, again set in, okay, the value is getting 100 into. Now thanks for watching it. Please like, share and subscribe and comment here what type of instruction you want to learn in future. If there is a question, please do comment here.